You are not alone in wondering if a ready-made SaaS solution or custom software development is best for your real estate company. In fact, all your competition asks the same question. The right software will change your business and help you save time and energy. But which one should you choose? A ready-made SaaS or a custom software made just for you? Today's video addresses your biggest challenges: boosting business efficiency, understanding the financial risk, and selecting software that scales and adapts to your needs. To help you decide, we will compare two SaaS applications and custom software development. Software as a service tools have transformed the real estate industry. Many businesses have reduced their operations costs and can offer better property management possibilities for their customers, not to mention the possibility of scaling more easily. Now, you are probably looking for a solution that can boost operational efficiency and match your daily routines. Integrating scales, customer relationship management, inventory management, and staff communication into a single system is the change you want to achieve. That's why there is a need for real estate software to become real. In order to select real estate software, you need to consider a few things. Obviously, your needs, but also a cost-benefit analysis that can help you decide if a software solution is worth it. Will your solution grow with your business and adapt to shifting needs? To answer this question, you need to go through the earlier mentioned analysis and also take a practical approach. Check if your organization can adapt to ready-made SaaS solution and make sure new software connects with your existing systems. Think about whether it is sufficient or if you will need a more custom approach. And don't forget to consider data security. Nowadays, many real estate companies prioritize software with strong security capabilities to secure critical property, client, and transaction data. This is due to rising dangers and tougher restrictions. Now, I would love to hear from you. What is the biggest problem for your business right now? Share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Let's discuss some differences between popular solutions in more detail. Starting with SaaS solutions that provide convenience, they often come with limitations that might not suit every business's needs. For instance, Propertyware is a unique SaaS solution for single-family and low-density rentals. Lead tracking, tenant screening, and owner-tenant portal features make this software a great choice for keeping a good customer relations. However, its scalability is limited and may not be suitable for bigger or more diverse property portfolios. Simply speaking, it's not designed to run large real estate enterprises. On the other hand, a different SaaS system, AppFolio, offers a wider range of property management options, including online rent payments, precise accounting, property listing, and faster maintenance requests. Its simple interface and automation capabilities save time and reduce mistakes by automating numerous basic processes. Additionally, it is extremely scalable and supports numerous property kinds and sizes. The biggest issue is that AppFolio costs more when organizations want to expand and need more complex features. What if your business or enterprise has specific demands? When talking to our clients who choose to build their own solutions, the most common reason is the need for software tailored precisely to their needs. They start by reviewing existing solutions, but the scale of their businesses or the specific requirements make it difficult to address their needs in a way that truly adds value to their business through the use of such software. SaaS applications are usually cheaper and faster to set up, but at some point they may not offer the exact features your company may need. On the other side, there is a possibility for custom software that costs more upfront, but it may pay off over time. How is it possible? Custom software development is designed based only on your needs. Its distinctiveness comes from functionality, efficiency, and alignment with strategic corporate goals, delivering solutions that pre-made software packages may not. For example, off-the-shelf SaaS options like Propertyware and AppFolio offer rapid setup and easy interface. These systems include several options to help you manage properties efficiently and are ideal for getting started quickly. But what happens when these SaaS solutions reach their limits, especially when your organization requires something more unique. Custom software development excels here as you can change it with your organization growth. Imagine having a custom solution that solves your business unique problems, like data analytics for specific markets, real-time pricing models, and seamless integration with other systems. On top of that, with custom software, you can add additional security features to your system, such as compliance for specific markets. This builds confidence with clients who need to know their data is protected. So what should you choose? Custom or ready-made SaaS? While SaaS solutions might seem like the obvious choice with their reduced upfront costs and quick setup, assess whether they are the best long-term choice for your business. Simply give it a try and find out if it fits your needs. Consider your specific business needs, the complexities of your market, and how you see your business growing in the future. For instance, European business must guarantee their software meets GDPR. When you design custom software from scratch, you can fulfill this standard with peace of mind, and that's one less reason to worry about EU regulators, which is always a positive thing. Otherwise, make sure you pick a ready-made solution that matches regulations to stay on the safe side. Let's jump into a real-life example of realestate, a real estate company from Croatia. They saw potential in the continental part of the country. The locals, preoccupied with the city employment and urban life, had long forgotten their rural houses' rustic appeal. Due to their remoteness from city jobs, residents were unwilling to invest in these natural sites. However, the owners saw a new market: remote workers from overseas, mainly in the UK. This real estate company imagined these lovely places as suitable escapes from expensive living conditions of highly crowded cities, especially as remote work become more and more popular. Compared to the UK market, where renovation expenses were considerable, Croatia required little investment, and so they built properties there. But the owners struggled to promote these homes internationally and manage them across regions. To solve the issue, they avoided ready-made SaaS real estate solutions which lacked personalization and were too general. Instead, they developed specialized software for their company model. This app promotes properties and highlighted important features for their target market, such as high-speed internet, beautiful views, and closeness to local stores. Advanced filters in the program let buyers choose residences based on lifestyle factors. A customer might filter residences by internet connectivity, specialized office space or walking paths, and nature reserves. In the end result, foreign buyers found what they need with the user-friendly layout and customized search choices. The app also integrated with local remodeling, furnishing, and maintenance suppliers to provide consumers with a complete package. They also focus on customer interactions, providing tailored virtual tours and all the information clients needed to make good decisions from thousands of kilometers away. Another great project we had an opportunity to work on involved managing smart properties. In this system, the administrator can monitor the status of the property and see various readings from the smart home. For example, they can create scenarios that can simulate someone being home by turning on lights when house is empty to detect unwanted guests. They can also lock the doors remotely. To sum it up, the immediate and long-term benefits of SaaS solutions or custom software must be weighted against your real estate business's particular demands and the way you want it developed. I strongly recommend thinking about your company's specific needs before choosing. You can do it by assessing your present procedures, identifying opportunities for development, and analyzing how each form of software may affect operational efficiency and growth. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check other videos to get more insights on software development.